This video is going to be over Social Security and Medicare taxes. So, thus far we've talked about federal income tax, state income tax. Now you have another form of tax that comes out of your paycheck, and that is Social Security and Medicare. If you don't have Medicare, that doesn't come out. Like, for instance, I don't have Medicare, so it doesn't come out. I have my insurance through the school, so doesn't always apply, but we're going to do it just in case. But the Social Security tax always is a sure thing that you can expect from your taxes. So you'll have a federal income tax, state income tax, and a Social Security tax, without a doubt. Like, for instance, about anywhere from like 20 to 24% of my paycheck I never see. Um, it gets taken out due to taxes, and that's just how it is. So um, when I put FICA here, that just stands for the Federal Insurance Contributions Act. So because of that, it requires employers to deduct a percentage of your income for taxes for Social Security, and that's used for retirement and disabilities benefits. And then Medicare is it provides you medical insurance, and these are the tax rates for those. So let me get my marker. All right, so the Social Security tax rate is 6.2%, and that's of anything up to 97,000. So basically, that just means anything under 97,000, it gets that percentage of tax, and that's all we're going to deal with right now, just to keep it simple. So any of this that I'm giving you is going to be less than 97,000. So really, all you need to make sure is you know that the Social Security tax rate is 6.2%, and then the Medicare tax rate is 1.45%. And the way you calculate this is pretty simple. You take your gross pay times your tax rate, and you're going to do that for each of these. So you're going to do that for your Social Security, and then you're going to do that for your Medicare, and then you're just going to add them up. And I tried to kind of explain that. So you're going to calculate both of those separately, then add them up. So it says Riley's gross pay is $729 per week. We don't really care that it's per week. We just want to know that it's $725. That's the amount we're going to deal with. We want to know what he takes out for Social Security, Medicare, then we're going to add them up. So let's do Social Security first. So that's going to equal 720, and then we multiply that by 0.062. That's going to give us, 728 times 0.062. That's going to be around $45.14. So that's the Social Security tax. Then we got Medicare. So we'll just put MD. So that's going to be our gross pay, which is 728 times 1.45? Yeah. 0.0145. So 728 times 0.0145. It's going to be about $10.56. So that's for each of these. We just found the Medicare taxes, Social Security taxes. Now, if we want to find our total, we're just going to take these two and we're going to add them together. So that's going to be 45.44 plus 10.56. So in total, our deductions would be $55.70. So this is pretty simple too. You just need to make sure you know the tax rate for each of these. So Social Security tax is 6.2, Medicare is 1.45%. And to find your total, you're just going to do each of these separately. And then you'll add them together. And this will be a pretty quick video because that's really it. So yeah, we'll do examples of this in class. We'll work through this stuff like we've been doing. But that'll be it for this video.